Mahanakhon Tower, a structural masterpiece. Bangkok's Central Business District, CBD, is home to the 77-story King Power Mahanakhon Tower. Bangkok, the nation's capital, is becoming more and more attractive to foreign businesses wishing to open offices and expand their operations as Thailand's economy grows in importance in Asia. These businesses not only bring their products and services but also their employees, particularly senior executives. A new standard of high-quality architectural design is one of the expectations that the city is scrambling to satisfy for this rising and sophisticated population. When it comes to design and construction, the Mahanakhon Tower satisfies the highest and most advanced requirements, something Bangkok had never seen before the Mahanakhon Tower's completion in 2016. The King Power Mahanakhon Shopping Mall is located on the first floor of the Mahanakhon skyscraper, which is also known as King Power Mahanakhon. Mahanakhon translates as Great Metropolis in Thai. Luxury apartments, a hotel, a shopping mall, a public plaza, and a rooftop sky bar and observatory are all part of this mixed-use development that is connected to the city's Skytran fast transport system. When they first became available for renters, the development's total area of prime real estate, which totals more than 150,000 square meters, was by far the most costly in Bangkok. The complex, created by German architect Ole Stern while serving as OMA's regional director for Asia, is without a doubt the most ambitious architectural and urban design project Bangkok has ever seen. When it was finished in 2016, it also overtook the Grand Palace as the highest structure in the city. When the Magnolia's Waterfront Residences Tower 1 was finished in 2018 at 315 m, just one more than the Mahanakhon Tower, it ceded the title of the tallest building in Bangkok in an almost infantile move by a rival development. Awards came in quick succession for a production of this size. The tower was already honored with awards before it was finished, including Best Luxury Condo Development 2014, Bangkok. At the Thailand Property Awards, Best Thailand Development 2014, and Best Luxury Condominium in Southeast Asia 2014 at the SE Asia Property Award, and Best Mixed Use, Best Residential, and Best Residential High-Rise at the 2015 Asia Pacific Property Awards. Location: the tower is situated in Bangkok's CBD, Central Business District, a rapidly developing area that is home to some of the most recent and cutting-edge constructions in the city, including luxury hotels like the W Hotel and other Grade A office buildings. Concept: the idea for the Mahanakhon Tower begins at the urban scale. To obtain building clearance from the City Council, high-rises in Bangkok must abide by a variety of limitations. Mainly, the ground area is multiplied by a factor of 10, to determine the total gross floor area, GFA. To avoid overshading, there is a 60-degree setback angle from the street that must be observed. Additionally, it is a common market practice in the neighborhood to supply parking on a 1:1 correlation with the number of bedrooms. Parking is mandated by the Bangkok Metropolitan Authority at a specified ratio to the number of houses. In addition to these regulations imposed by the city, it was also desired to maintain all the retail elements as close as possible to the main road and the Skytran station, while the homes and hotels should be as far away as feasible to give seclusion and reduce street noise. After taking all of this into account, it became obvious that the project could not grow as high as it desired in a single structure with a standard basement and column shape. This led to the initial decision to split the program into two distinct buildings, each of which would need to independently adhere to the aforementioned conditions. The transportation center and a portion of the retail space were placed in a smaller building closer to the street, while the remaining space was set back significantly, creating what would eventually become the public plaza. Pixelation. Even while that choice was the first to begin molding the project and giving it a particular urban imprint, the tower's most distinguishing feature emerged later. The architects developed a plan that not only addressed this problem but also offered a wide range of additional advantages for the building. To meet both the GFA rule and the requirements to become the tallest structure in Bangkok. Instead of using the conventional extruded volume, the design team chose to etch a spiral of indentations along the tower. The depth of these indentations varied, resulting in an intricate network of terraces, balconies, and floating rooms that ultimately shaped the tower to the point where it is now referred to as the Pixel Tower because of the arrangement of staked surfaces, terraces, and protrusions gives the appearance of pixelation in digital images. Plaza Mahanakhon. In a city where opulent projects sometimes turn into fortresses with little connection to the urban grid or city life in general, the Mahanakhon Square at the base of the tower is likely the project's most infamous urban gesture. The square is intended to be a vibrant public space, a location for both pre-planned and unplanned cultural events, a manicure haven for city residents, and a unique setting for cultural and social interaction. The Cube. The Cube is a 7-story freestanding building that stands next to the apartments. Together with the accompanying terraces, the Cube creates a large outdoor atrium, creating a valley and a network of social, dining, and recreational facilities for the benefit of the residents and the general public. Additionally, it serves as a connection point for the Skitran and the Mahanakhon complex. Marketplace. 2 distinct sections make up the storage space. The main tower's first floors often house shops, while the Cube building typically houses eateries. King Power, Thailand's largest travel retail organization, which holds the exclusive concession of Thailand's duty-free industry, operates the shops, which sell primarily luxury brands. The complex, which is formerly known as King Power Mahanakhon, shares its name with the brand, which was established in 1989. Hotel. The hotel is positioned as a high-end boutique hotel and takes up floors 9 through 18. To prevent locals from mixing with visitors and guests from having to mix with shoppers, the hotel has a distinct elevator core. Additionally, there is a separate amenities floor for the residents' amenities. A sky bar and an observatory. Floors 74 to 77 house the observatory and the sky bar. The top 2 floors are outdoor spaces occupied by the sky bar and sky tray and are intended for visitors' leisure and entertainment. The first 2 floors provide a unique 360-degree view of the city of Bangkok while educating the viewer about the heritage and history of the city through inscriptions and city maps engraved on the floor. A glass terrace that is cantilevered out from the structure on the 76th level offers guests a direct view of the ground more than 300 meters below. The Sky Tray, meter walkable glass platform, is this attraction's name. It is sure to draw thousands of visitors each year and ensure that they post breathtaking pictures of themselves walking on the glass platform on social media, helping to advertise and publicize the Mahanakhon and boosting sales at the building's retail stores and observation deck. The base and the essence. Since Bangkok has relatively soft soils that are far from appropriate for supporting a megastructure like this one, the Mahanakhon Tower's structure has been a challenge from the outset. A mat foundation of pure concrete 8.75 meters thick was built as a sturdy platform from which to build on top to make up for the soft soils. Additionally, 129 1.2 x 3m individual piles that were sunk to a depth of 65 meters down are used to anchor that mat to the earth. The engineers were able to provide CTBUH seismic recommendations thanks to this, and comprehensive wind tunnel testing with winds blowing with varied strengths in up to 36 directions. Observer's Deck. For the first 2 stories of the observation deck on floors 74th and 75th, a slightly different structure was chosen. On the edge of the slabs here, close to the facade line, steel columns have been installed. Due to the 75th story being suspended by steel tensors from the floor above rather than reaching the facade, these steel columns are twice as tall. Curtain wall. The slack-joined special horizontal seams between panels were used in the curtain wall's construction so that it could hang from the edge of each floor slab. A 25 mm vertical variation between panels was permitted by these joints. Every floor slab had to be finished with an accuracy of just 19 mm since 6 mm of that was set apart for temperature-related expansion and contraction of the glass. If not, 2 glass panels would collide and harm one another. If you like this video, follow us and you will find many videos that will help you to transform your life. Thanks for watching all the video. Please subscribe and hit the bell. See you soon.